Hello everyone, it's Richard here from English with Richard. Today we're diving into a powerful idiom. You've probably heard it in songs, films, or even in battle stories from history. It's to bite the dust. So let's learn and grow and let's dive in. To bite the dust means to fail, to be defeated, or in some contexts, to die. You can use it in both seriously and humorously. The phrase traces back to Homer's Iliad, 8th century BC, where fallen warriors would bite the dust as they hit the ground face first. The Bible, Psalm 72:9, also gives us a similar line. His enemies shall lick the dust. In English, it became popular during the 18th century and has lived on ever since. It reached popular culture fame with Queen's 1980 hit, Another One Bites the Dust. Some examples in context. After running for 3 days straight, my old trainers finally bit the dust. Their company bit the dust after the new competitor entered the market. In the Western film, the outlaw bites the dust in the final showdown. C1, C2 vocabulary highlights. The first one, demise, C1 level. The end of something, especially a business or life. The company's demise came after years of poor management. The second one, obliterate, C2 level. To destroy completely. The tornado obliterated the small town, leaving nothing behind. The third one, C2 level, succumb. To fail to resist, to give way, often to death or pressure. He finally succumbed to the illness after a long battle. Here's a short story. Imagine a cowboy duel at high noon. Both gunslingers faced each other. The crowd waits, the clock ticks. One draws too slowly and he bites the dust. That's exactly the dramatic feeling this idiom carries. So there you go. To bite the dust. A phrase that started in epic battles, echoed in the Bible, and even rocked the world through Queen's music. Remember, keep learning these expressions to make your English richer and more natural. Stay classy, curious, and always learn and grow. See you on the flip side. Ta-ra a bit.